For effective training, high-value treats are great, and here's a super easy recipe that anyone can make. All you'll need is chicken breast, flour, and water. Freezing the chicken makes it easier to mince. Cut it into chunks. You can add raw eggs or dog supplements to make them extra healthy and nutritious. Today I'm adding goat milk powder and my homemade calcium powder. Throw everything in a food processor and add some water. I just eyeball it. You basically want a meat puree that looks something like this. Preheat your oven to 170 centigrade or 340 Fahrenheit, and while the oven is heating up, you can add the flour and mix it up. I like my treats moist, so I put parchment paper on both sides. Bake it for 50 minutes, then turn it out onto a chopping board. Chop them into the size that fits your dog. If they're too small, it won't be much of a reward, but if they're too big, chewing can slow down the pace of training. I leave mine out to dry for an hour or so before bagging them up, and they'll keep in the freezer for about 6 weeks. They don't hold much moisture, so you can use them straight out of the freezer and take out just enough for the training session.